In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable map link in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted someone to jump straight from your document to a precise place on a map. This is quick and easy to set up, and it works with text, images, or shapes you've already added to your file. First, grab the map link you want to use. You can copy a GPS or map URL from services like Google Maps. A URL is simply the web address that points to that exact location. In Google Maps, you can copy the address directly from your browser's address bar, or use the Share button and choose Copy Link. Either way, make sure the link includes the full HTTPS address, so Word recognizes it as a web link. Now switch to your Word document and select the item you want to turn into a link. This could be a line of text such as View on Map, an image like a map icon, or a shape you're using as a button. Click and drag to highlight the text, or single-click the image or shape to select it. You'll know it's selected if it's highlighted or shows selection handles. With your content selected, open the link dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. On a Mac, use Command+K. If you prefer menus, you can also right-click the selected text, image, or shape and choose Link. This opens the dialog where you'll connect your selection to the map. In the Link dialog, look for the Address field, usually near the bottom. Click into that field and paste the map URL you copied earlier. You can paste with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Above the Address field, you may see a text-to-display area that shows the visible label for your link if you selected text. For images and shapes, your selection itself acts as the link. If you're happy with how it looks, you don't need to change anything here. Once the address field contains your map URL, click OK to apply the link. Back in your document, you should see your text appear underlined and in a link color, or your image or shape will behave like a clickable link. Hovering over it will typically show the destination URL so you can confirm it points to the right map location. That's it. You've turned your selected content into a clickable map link in Word, making it easy for readers to open the exact location with a single click.